Good jobs for good dogs. This is Maggie. She is a very good dog. Every day she wakes up her family at exactly 7 o'clock and watches as they rush off to work and school. Today she wished she had somewhere to go too. I wonder if there are any jobs for a good dog like me, she said. She watched out the window as the school bus pulled away. Being a bus driver would be a lot of fun. Think of all the field trips, she said. I bet I would make an excellent teacher, too. Then she saw a garbage truck pulling up to her house. I'm always emptying the trash. Being a garbage collector would be a great job for me, said Maggie. Maggie caught her reflection in the mirror. I never have a bad fur day, she boasted. Maybe I should work at the salon. Suddenly there was a knock on the door. A delivery, she exclaimed. I am great at fetching things. But I don't love letting them go. Maggie decided she needed some fresh air and walked to the backyard. As an airplane flew overhead, Maggie thought, I could be a pilot. I love feeling the wind in my fur. Or, she gasped, I could fly even higher and be the first dog on the moon. Maggie's nose drifted to the newly blossomed flower bush. I could smell these all day. Does that make me a botanist? She wondered. A croak alerted her to an intruder in the yard. No one gets past me. I should be a security guard. Although being a lifeguard would probably be more fun. I love it at the beach. As she continued walking, Maggie remembered watching her family tend to the garden. I bet I would love working on a farm. Do you think they'd let me drive the tractor? She wondered. All that dirt makes me want to dig. Maybe I should be an archaeologist, said Maggie. And think of all those bones. I could be a paleontologist. Suddenly, Maggie realized she was being followed. Come to think of it, I am a great leader. Perhaps I should run for president, she mused. A rumble from her stomach led Maggie back inside. If I were a chef, thought Maggie, I could make a snack whenever I wanted. Exhausted after a long day of job hunting, Maggie curled up in her bed. I wonder if there are any jobs that let you take a nice long nap, she yawned. And she fell fast asleep. Maggie was startled awake by the sound of the school bus approaching. As she ran to the door to greet her family, she realized that the best job for a good dog was the one she already had: taking care of her family.